Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.
Hey, vámonos. Let's go.
American Colorado Springs, motherfucker.
What do you live in Colorado?
No hangover. Welcome to episode 2. This week, Perry and I volunteered at Elephant Nature Park, which is a elephant sanctuary in Thailand, and elephants shit a lot. So at this park, we'd wake up every day at 7 a.m., eat, and then we would have a chore to do, like scooping elephant shit. And let me tell you, they poop just as much as you think they would. It's a lot. We would also plant corn, we would clean fruit, we would unload fruit trucks, feed them, pretty much anything you could think of. And then we would have free time with these giant, majestic creatures. It is awesome. We went to a school that the owner had built for the workers' children, and played them in soccer. No mercy, by the way. First rule is crush their spirits, because competition is competition. I'm just saying. I was playing with the local workers every night, and then we would wake up and do the days all over again. It's a fantastic experience. Not even eating them anymore. If you want to know more about Lek, the woman that started the sanctuary, or the sanctuary itself, Elephant Nature Park, I'll try to provide a couple of links at the end of this video, so you can learn more about the Ellies, aka Changs, aka Chang Gang. See you next week.